In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Bank of America card, whether it's a debit or credit card, through their convenient mobile app to ensure your finances are secure. This is a feature that comes in handy if you've misplaced your card or just want to prevent any unauthorized usage. Let's dive into the process together. First, you'll need to open your Bank of America mobile app. Make sure you have it installed on your smartphone and that it's updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches. Once you've got that covered, open the app and sign into your account using your username and password. It's important to note that keeping your credentials secure is crucial, so avoid signing in on public Wi-Fi or sharing your login details. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, look for the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Alternatively, you might see an Accounts tab, depending on your app version or settings. Either option will guide you to the next step in our process. Once you've accessed the menu or the accounts page, you'll need to select the specific debit or credit card you want to lock. It's essential to ensure you choose the right card to avoid inconveniencing yourself with another card you might still need active. Next, look for the option that says Manage Card Settings or simply Manage Card. This section provides you with various options related to your card settings. Once there, you'll see the option to lock card. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to proceed with locking the card. This step ensures you don't accidentally lock your card without intending to. After you confirm the lock, the app will display a confirmation message indicating that your card is now successfully locked. This means that any new purchases or cash withdrawals will be temporarily blocked, providing you with peace of mind that your card won't be misused. One of the great features of this service is its flexibility. If you find your card or no longer need it to be locked, you can easily unlock it by tapping the same option within the app. This quick responsiveness allows you to adapt to situations in real time without needing to contact customer support or visit a branch. And there you have it. Locking your Bank of America card using their mobile app is a straightforward process that can be done quickly from anywhere, offering you control and security over your banking activities. Remember, it's always better to be safe and take preventative action when it comes to your financial security. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful banking tips.